Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and the worth of 1 billion coins. Remember, Tectonic token recently have started increasing, even though Tectonic token experienced a massive fall in price in the past few weeks. Not just Tectonic tokens, so many other crypto coins, even BTC, even Binance, even Cardano, and other coins also experienced a fall in price. But what will be the worth of 1 billion Tectonic tokens soon? Let's assume we have 1 billion coins of Tectonic token. How much can we really make? How much can this really return? And how much do we really need to buy and purchase these 1 billion coins? Now, without wasting time, at the time of recording this, you need about $101 in order to buy 1 billion tokens of Tectonic token. Now, according to statistics and so many experts, they believe definitely Tectonic token is going to delete some zeros within the next few years to come, which I believe even though next year Tectonic can also delete a zero before the end of 2023. Now, if Tectonic token deletes just a single zero, okay, it simply means our $101 will be worth about $1,000, giving us a profit of about $900 profit. Of course, this is good if the Tectonic token deletes 1 0. Now, if Tectonic token goes ahead and then delete 2 zeros, let's say by the end of next year or next 2 years or next 3 years, Tectonic token managed to delete 3 zeros, then that $101 investment, which is 1 billion coins of Tectonic token, will be worth about $10,180 with a profit of $10,080 profit. Of course, which other business, which other investment can return such amount of money, amount of profit? But we still believe definitely Tectonic can say hit and delete 3 zeros, which is about 100,000% increase in price, which is our major target on Tectonic token before the end of 2030. Now, deleting 3 zeros simply means we must have earned about over $100,000. That's about $100,800. That is going to be amazing. I mean, earning over $100,000 profit with Tectonic token. Even though let it be within the next 7-8 years, I think it's still worth someone making such amount of money, even holding such coin, if Tectonic token definitely is going to delete 3 0 for the end of 2030. Of course, many people want to invest and hold this coin even till then, because so many Tectonic holders are actually waiting. They are buying, keeping this coin, believing that in the long run Tectonic token is going to really increase in price, and I believe this coin is going to increase, but all this depend on if BTC can start bumping, start increasing from now, next year, next 2 years. Every other coin will follow the step, and I believe BTC is a driver, other coins are the passengers. Wherever BTC is going, they will follow up. If BTC is increasing, they will increase. If BTC is not really doing well, you see most coins are always affected, apart from majorly the stable coins. And I believe, of course, before the end of 2025, the token is definitely going to increase in price. Now, 1 billion tokens, I know $100 is not really easy for some people. That's why I always tell people to not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Our golden rule here is to invest what you can afford to lose. So even if you invest $100, $20, $5, whatever you can afford to invest, of course you can definitely do that. And let's keep hoping and let's keep praying for the Tectonic token to really increase in price. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.